Hello, today I'll be showing you how to install IntelliJ on a fresh Windows uh, platform. Okay, so first start off by opening Google Chrome or whichever browser you're using. Remember, this is Windows 10. Search in your search engine IntelliJ and head to download under the JetBrains website. And you have two options, Community or Ultimate. Community is free. Ultimate is paid for unless you're a student. If you are a student, you can get it for free. It is 600 megabytes, so run it once it is finished downloading. I will resume then. Okay, once it's finished downloading, you can click on the exe and it should begin installing. Accept the administrative permissions. Here we go, hit next. Don't go all the way next, let's change a few settings. The install location, that's fine anywhere it goes. For the options, I do like to have my Java files open in the IDE. You also need to hit install. You also need to install the JDK, which we will do after this is done installing, and I will resume soon. Okay, now that it's done installing, you can either click run here or run it after you're finished on your own. Once it runs, we will create a new project. You will see a terms, so agree to the terms. Hit continue. I personally don't send. And here we go, we're starting it. Hit new project. And to download the SDK, which you need, this is actually installing Java. Go to download JDK. And anyone would work with a hello world, so download the 16. And something to note, a lot of different Java programs require different JDKs, so you may end up with a dozen JDKs over time, and that's totally normal. Now hit next in order to get to the templates and create a command line app. That way you don't have to make it yourself. For this, I will put hello world. Hit finish. Now it should begin indexing or putting together the code source and the JDK. That's the tip of the day. You can close that. You don't need any of this. This is all just stuff to introduce you into IntelliJ. Main is where you will write your code, and right here we can use the shortcut SOUT to write system.out, and here we could write hello world. Okay, and then just run it and it works after it builds. There you go. Okay, I hope you learned something. Have a good day.